everyone, it's me Arshpreet Bhasin of Class-9A2 from Chintels school. So today I'm going to tell you about formation and economic use as well as geographical location of the igneous rocks. So here we go.
To study with the igneous fall, we should know what are the rocks basically. So let's start.
Chintels are the building blocks of the rocks. Now of course there are thousands of rocks on the earth, and so we need to classify them. Now we have come up with the classification system in which rocks falls in one of the three types of rocks. That classification system is based on the way in which rocks forms. The three groups are as follows: igneous rocks from magma or lava, sedimentary rocks from compacted sediments, and metamorphic rocks are exposed to intense heat and pressure. Igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire or magmatic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. The magma can be derived from the partial melts of existing rocks in either planets, mantle or crust. Typically, the melting is caused by one or more of three processes: an increase in temperature, a decrease in pressure, or a change in composition. Solidification into rocks occurs either below the surface, an intrusive rock, or on the surface as extrusive rock. Igneous rock may form the crystallization, form granular crystalline rocks, or without crystallization to form natural gas. Two types of igneous rock: intrusive igneous rock and extrusive igneous rock. Intrusive igneous rocks are the rocks that crystalline below the Earth's surface, resulting in large crystals as the cooling takes place slowly. Extrusive igneous rocks are rocks that erupt onto the surface, resulting in small crystals as the cooling takes place quickly. The cooling rate of the few rock is so quick that they form an amorphous glass. Basalt, tuff, pume are examples of extrusive igneous rocks. Many types of igneous rocks are used for building stone, facing stone, and decorative materials such as that used for table tops, cutting boards, and carved figures. Economic significance of igneous rocks are as follows. Graphite is used for house building and idol making. Secondly, pumic stone is used as a sharpener. Third, basalt and dolerite are used for road making. These rocks are found at the divergent boundaries, like at mid-ocean ridges, when the plate drift apart and form gaps that are filled by magma. Water from the descending oceanic crust lowers the melting point of the above mantle, forming magma that rises to surface and forms volcanoes. At the continental convergent boundaries, large land masses collide, thickening and heating the crust to melt. Hot spots like Hawaii form the crust moves over the thermal plume rising from the deep in the earth. Hot spots from extrusive igneous sketches of igneous rocks are as follows. Igneous rocks form of rocks does not include any fossil fuel deposits. If there are any chances of fossil deep inside the crust, it erupts out of the Earth's surface and gets destroyed due to the sheer heat these rocks produce. Secondly, most igneous forms include more than one mineral deposit. They can be either glassy or coarse. These rocks are usually do not react with acids. The mineral deposits are available in the form of